This video is to demonstrate how to review student results in an OpenOChem activity after the students have answered the questions. So we'll click on the link to the activity. This activity has been open for a couple days. Kathy and I have been testing it. You see this picture with the people. If you hold your cursor over it, you'll get a little pop-up menu that says Review Attempts. If you click on that, then you'll be able to review the attempts, and it wants you to pick like a person whose attempts you're going to view. And so this is the 4 different times I attempted it, and I'll pick Review. It will go through the questions one at a time and show you what the question was and what my answer was. You can click this box to see my response and click this box to see the correct answer to the question. If the computer didn't give the person credit for it and you want to give them credit, you can click this button to override the grade. You can also add additional instructor feedback at this point. But as you see, there is some feedback that's built into the system. There's some buttons down here so you can see other student responses. You can see other student responses for everybody's first question. If you scramble the questions, then that would be a little awkward because they won't all have the same first question. I don't scramble the questions, but I always just pick current questions so I can see the responses to that, and then you don't really notice much except the page got a lot longer, and it's really easy to see at a glance whether the answers are right or wrong, because the correct answers are shown in green and you see the structures as the students draw them, and incorrect structures are shown in red, and you can see this answer is incorrect because there is no answer there. So if students get the answer wrong because they didn't answer it at all, it recognizes that. And see, the computer recognizes ME or recognizes the line for the math. Either of those are acceptable. You can learn a lot about students' misconceptions by exploring what answers they got wrong in the quiz. Let's look at one of these other questions. Okay, so here is the response, and I clearly didn't pay close enough attention to this question, and I got the regiochemistry wrong, so that's wrong. Let's see the other answers, and Kathy got it wrong because she stopped. Kathy got this one wrong because she didn't actually draw the product after the different stages. So I'm going to override the grade for her and put a comment that says, please remember to draw the intermediate products after each step. And then hopefully she'll get the question right the next time because she will draw the other things. And this time she got it wrong because it's necessary to draw the starting material at the beginning of the synthesis. Okay,